Let's explore the APT command. This is all about package management on Debian-based systems. Advanced Package Tool, or APT, is a command line utility for installing, updating, removing, and managing packages on Debian, Ubuntu, and other Linux distributions based on Debian. It handles dependencies automatically, maintains a package database, simplifies software management, provides secure package verification, and works with software repositories. Now let us explore some basic APT commands. To update the package lists, use the command sudo apt update. This refreshes the package index files from repositories to get information about the newest versions of packages. To upgrade packages, use the command sudo apt upgrade. This installs newer versions of packages currently installed on the system. To install a package, use the command sudo apt install package_name. This downloads and installs a new package with all required dependencies. To remove a package, use the command sudo apt remove package_name. This removes an installed package but keeps configuration files. Let's explore some advanced APT commands. Sudo apt full upgrade performs a complete upgrade, including removing packages if necessary to resolve dependencies. Sudo apt purge package_name completely removes a package and its configuration files from the system. Sudo apt auto remove removes packages that were automatically installed to satisfy dependencies but are no longer needed. Sudo apt clean removes all downloaded package files, that is, .deb, from the local cache directory. Let us see how to search for packages. To search by package name, the command is apt search package_name. This searches for packages by name in available repositories. For example, apt search Firefox might return Firefox/Jammy updates 102, 15.0 plus build 1-0 Ubuntu 0, 22.04.1. To list available packages, the command is apt list all versions package_name. This lists all available versions of a specific package. For example, apt list all versions Python 3 might return Python 3/Jammy, now through 6-1-22.04 AMD64 installed. To show package details, the command is apt show package_name. This displays detailed information about a specific package. To list installed packages, the command is apt list installed. This shows all packages currently installed on the system. APT repositories are defined in configuration files located in /etc/apt/sources.list and /etc/apt/sources list.d/*list. Always update package lists after changing repositories. A typical repository entry follows this format: deb options repository _URL distribution, component 1 component 2 ellipsis. An example is deb http://archive ubuntu.com/ubuntu jammy main restricted universe. To add a new repository, use the command sudo add apt repository ppa:/repository_name. Remember that PPA means Personal Package Archive. Common repository components are main, which is officially supported software; universe, which is community-maintained software; restricted, which are proprietary device drivers; and multiverse, which is software with legal restrictions. Here are some package management examples. To install several packages at once, the command is sudo apt install git vim curl. You can specify multiple packages separated by spaces. To install a specific version, the command is sudo apt install package = version. For example, sudo apt install nginx = 1.18.0-0 Ubuntu 1. To reinstall a package that's already installed, the command is sudo apt reinstall package_name. This is useful for fixing corrupted installations. To prevent package updates and hold a package at its current version, the command is sudo apt mark hold package _name. To release a held package, the command is sudo apt mark unhold package _name. Let us look at some system maintenance commands with APT. To keep your system up to date, use this command sequence: sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade -y. It is recommended to run weekly for security updates. To clean up disk space, remove downloaded package files with the command sudo apt clean. To remove partial packages, use the command sudo apt auto clean. This helps free up disk space in /var /cache /apt /archives /. To remove unused dependencies and remove automatically installed packages that are no longer needed, use the command sudo apt auto remove. Run this periodically to keep your system clean. To check for broken packages, fix broken package installations with the command sudo apt --fix broken install. An alternative command is sudo apt-f install. This is useful when package installations fail. Let's see some advanced APT options. To simulate installation and preview what would happen during package installation without making changes, use the command sudo apt --simulate install package _name. Or use the shorter form, sudo apt-s install package _name. This is useful for testing before actual installation. To download only and download package files without installing them, use the command sudo apt --download only install package _name. Or use the shorter form sudo apt-d install package _name. Files are stored in /var /cache /apt /archives /. To use non-interactive mode and install packages without prompting for confirmation, use the command sudo apt --yes install package _name. Or use the shorter form sudo apt-y install package _name. This is useful for scripts and automation. To get verbose output and show detailed information during operations, use the command sudo apt --verbose versions upgrade. For even more details, use the command sudo apt-v upgrade. This helps troubleshoot package management issues. Here are some best practices for APT usage. Run regular updates to ensure security patches and bug fixes are applied promptly. Create a weekly schedule for running updates, or enable automatic security updates. Use trusted repositories only and add repositories from trusted sources to minimize security risks. Prefer official repositories and PPAs from well-known developers. Always review changes before applying, and what packages will be installed, upgraded or removed before confirming. Use simulation mode, that is apt-s, to preview changes without applying them. Create system snapshots, and take system backups or snapshots before major upgrades or changes. Tools like Timeshift can create system restore points before package operations. Additional resources are man-apt, apt-help, the Ubuntu package documentation, and the Debian package management guide. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.